welcome to Web Design. What we're going to do with this lesson is we're in Unit 6, Lesson 12, and we're going to do graphics in Blue Griffin. Basically, in this section, what we're going to do is we're going to add a background color, and we're going to deal with the photographs in our lesson. Now, the first thing they want us to do is to get our graphics ready to pick a picture for every page. Now, they have some stock photographs that you can use if you don't want to use regular photographs or if you don't have any regular photographs. Okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to open up our photos in a photo editing program and resize the photos so that either the height or the width are smaller than 500 pixels. Show you how to do that. In my portfolio, I'm going to navigate to the Unit 6 folder. Here I've made a folder called Images. In my Images folder, I've downloaded some pictures that I want to use. So I'm going to resize every one of these using Paint. Now I'm going to get Microsoft Paint. First, I push my Microsoft button. Then I navigate to All Programs. Then I go into Accessories. In Accessories, I will find Paint. This Paint right here. So now I'm going to open up my different pictures in Paint. I'm going to open, and I'm going to navigate to my pictures. So I'm going to go to my desktop. I'm going to go to Web Design. Now, if you're going to use the stock photographs, you can get them from Unit 6 of your course resources file. Let me just show you where they are. If I go to Unit 6 of the course resources, I have pictures of boys, or you have girls. And you can use these pictures for your file. I'm going to navigate back towards Images. I'm going to grab a preschool picture and click Open. And I'm going to maximize this window, or at least make it bigger. And I'm going to go here, which is Resize. So I'm going to go to Pixels. Now I got to get this under 500, so I'm just going to make horizontal 500. And I click OK. And you know what? I think I want this black stuff away from this. So I'm going to click my Select button, and I'm just going to draw inside and not get all this other stuff. Now I'm going to cut this with Control X. I'm just going to go New. Just shrink this down. Paste it, and I'm going to resave it. Save as. So I don't want it to ping. I click this down. I want this a JPEG. And I click preschool. I'm just redoing it. So yes, I want to replace it. That was a little harder. That's just because I resized it. I cut out some stuff I didn't want in there. That's just something personal. Okay, so next I'm going to go and I'm going to open this Open Middle School. It looks like it's going to be the same situation with this one. Okay, so now I'm going to select, and I'm going to get what I want. And I'm going to go Control X. Then I'm going to go New. No, I don't want to save it. And then I go Paste. Now I'm going to save this over the other one. But wait, let me check my dimensions first. There's my dimensions and pixels. Yeah, I got to get this down just a touch. I'm going to put 500 on it. Okay. And I might have to bring this in a little bit. The white space. See the white space? White space didn't come down. So, yep. Here we go. So now we're going to save it. I go save. And it's not going to be a ping. Once again, I want it as a JPEG. And I'm going to click middle school. Next, I'm going to open the next one. Next one I'm going to open is infant. This one really looks like it needs resizing. So I click my resize button, pixels, take that to 500, click OK. Now that's fine, I don't need anything to do to that. Click down and click save. I click my next one. So I'm going to go to high school. Oh wow. I'm going to click resize, pixels, 500. It's huge. Definitely want to click that thing down. Gonna click, select. I do a cut, scissors. I'm going to take this down, and I'm going to get rid of this section here. Delete. Select all. Delete. There we go. I'm going to bring this in just a little bit, and I'm going to paste. There it is. Now I'm going to save that. Save as a JPEG. In high school, yes. So I'm going to open up the next one. Open up elementary school. And I'm going to go view. Bring that down. Pixels. 500. Click OK. And I think we can cut the middle out of it. I can cut it. I could select everything. I can just click the delete button on my computer. And just bring this back. And I can go paste. I just save it. I'm going to go get the last one. The last one's a ping. The last one's a picture of Iowa. So, open. Iowa, see, it's a ping. I want to change that into a JPEG. Click open. So, I'm going to go resize, pixels. Take that down to 500. Click OK. I want to file, save as JPEG. So now I'm all ready with my pictures. And I have them all saved in Unit 6 to an images folder. Now you've got to do the same with these other built-in images that they gave you. Don't just assume that they're 500 pixels because they're not. They did that to you on purpose. Yes, they did. So what do you do next? You click within the table cell where your image will be located. Click Insert, then select Image. Click the file folder icon next to Image Location box. Navigate to your folder, select the correct image. Make sure check mark is in the box next to Make URL relative to a page location. Important, important, important. Okay. Enter your alternative text and then click the OK button and then align it to the center. So here I am in Blue Griffin. So I'm going to open up my infancy folder. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the picture and put it right in here. Go Insert, Image. So now I'm going to find the image. This is infancy, so that's infant I'm picking. I'm going to put alternative text baby. Click Make Image URL relative to page location. Click OK. So I save this and I go get the next one. File, open. Choose file. Now I'm going to go file, open. I'm going to go to Unit 6. I'm going to get elementary, rather preschool. I'm going to open preschool. Underneath the paragraph, I'm going to put my picture. So I'm going to go Insert, Image. So I'm going to find the picture, preschool. So that would be this one. Click Open. So I put in my alternative text, which is toddler. Click Make URL relative. Click OK. Save it. I'm going to open up the next one. It's elementary school. I'm clicking in here. And I'm going to go, you know what, I got the wrong thing in there, don't I? Let me change that text. I'll bet you're wondering about that one. I fixed it. I'm coming over here and Insert, Image. I'm going to go find my image file. Here's my elementary school picture. Click Open. My alternative is called Preteen. Make it relative and click OK. Save it. And open up the next file. Middle school. Okay. I don't know exactly what happened to my table here, but in this particular cell, it'll expand it automatically when I put my stuff in there. So I'm going to go Insert, Picture, or Image. I'm going to locate it. This is middle school. I'm going to put in there for text beach. Make my URL relative to the page location. Click OK. So I'll just save it. And we're going to go open the last one. We need high school, don't we? File, open, choose file. It's Unit 6, current. Okay. click in here, click insert image, and we'll go get it. There's my high school picture. Girl Scouts. It's alternative text. Fairfield. Click OK. So now save it. And one more picture to go. I need to open up my index file. So go File, Open, choose File, go to Index. Okay, that's my sixth one. Come down here, we'll put in Iowa. Insert image. JPEG, not the ping. Iowa. Make sure that URL is relative. Click OK. Alright, there you go. Save it. So we've inserted our image. What do we do next? We're going to add captions and cite our sources. So we're going to go click to the right of our image and then click enter on the keyboard and type in a short caption. And I've got one that needs a source to put in, so put that in. Okay, you can see here I've got a blinking cursor right at the edge of the picture. If I click enter, I can paste that right in there. I go edit paste. You see I've got that formatted according to the style we were taught. No, I can get rid of this. Do not need two HTTPs. All right, so I'm going to highlight this, and I'm going to go look for my class, my citation style. Click Save. Now I'm going to open up my current file, and I'm going to see it's automatically clicking there. So all I have to do is go Enter, and I'll put Senior Scout. Highlight this. Come over, it says No Class. Click that down. Click Site Style, I guess. And I click Save. Next, we'll go to middle school. And see there's a bouncing cursor. So I click Enter. And I put at the beach. Or, I think this is up in Maine. At the beach. Select oops. Select this. Put on the class. Click Save. Next, I'll go to elementary. See, just click Enter. Put this at the holidays. Shift home. Click on No Class. Click that down. Go to Site Style. Click Save. Go to Preschool. Click that down. Enter. Fernridge Park. Shift home. Funny, I can remember that from that long ago. Can't remember much else. Fernridge Park. This is Site Style. Click Save. Infant file. I got that cursor. I click Enter. Hopefully that's going to work. Yeah, there we go. Input brand new baby. Shift home. Look at that hair. Oh, site style. And save. Okay, so I've got all my citations done. What's next? Okay, the next thing they want us to do is to add a background graphic. There's a lot of things you can do, but here they suggest using a solid color background or a very light washed out image. If you have a big photograph, it's going to take a long time to download, even with a nice computer. So let's see what we can do with this. They suggest we add a background color. Well, I think that the easiest way to get a background color, what we're going to do is we're going to go into my style sheet here, open it up, and I'm going to put a background in here. See, I put a background color equals yellow. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to go in my code and put this in the head. Okay. So I'm going to go into my source code. And I'm going to come up to body. Class equals BK ground. Okay, I go save. Back to WYSIWYG. There you go. So next I'm going to go to preschool and do the same thing. I'm going to go into my source code, go into the body tag, click enter, click on class equals BK ground. That's what I named that style. I click save. I go back in WYSIWYG and I get a yellow background. We do the same thing elementary. So I'm going to go source code and come up here to body. Click and it says class equals BK ground. Save. Go middle school. Go into source. Up to body. Click class equals BK ground. Save. Current. Go up here. Source. Body. Click. Class equals background. This is just easier than trying to add it the other way. Back to WYSIWYG. Here's the last one. Source. Come up. Body. Click class equals background. Click save. Click back in WYSIWYG. There you go. So now I got a yellow background. So they don't tell you how to do it. That's how I do it. Adding a background color. So click the background color button and select a color. So I'm going to do this for my table. Pull this up. Click in here. And we're going to go table, select table. And I'm going to put a background here of lime green. Click OK. So that has lime green against yellow. Come here. I'm going to click inside. Then I go table, select table. Then I click this yellow button. I'm going to change that to lime green again. Then I'm going to go to middle school. Then I'm going to go table, select table. Oops, be inside the table to do that. Table, select table. And I'm going to go slime green. Okay. I'm going to go to the next one, elementary. I go table, select, it'll be inside the table, table, select table, put your lime green in there again, and preschool now, table, select table, oops, table, select table, go to yellow from lime green, and finally infant file, click on the table, table, select table, background you want lime green, click OK, make sure everything's saved. Okay, let's look at the next thing. That's where you add the table background color. Select all the cells, then click the background button, make them all that color. What you do is you zip the folder once again, but this time make sure that you're not turning in the old folder. Zip it and put the number 2 zip in there instead of your older zip from the earlier lesson, okay? And I'll see you at the next recording.